up, y'all? Today we're outside on our bikes again. Well, yesterday I didn't get to record a video, but today we're on our bikes. I got my bike lock and my backpack is on my back. If you can see that, it's on my back. There's so much turn on a hill. No, I'm kidding, it's flat ground. But again, Sean's running away. He doesn't like to be in videos, but let's see if I can cut him off. Cars! Go! Stop! In the name of love, before you break my heart. What the freak? I rode over a piece of metal. What the heck? That scared the crap out of me. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. Okay. Well, on my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars. On my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars. You know, this took me a long time to get used to doing this. Cars, go! Faster! Sun's down there. Let's go this way. I woke up today at 10:25 and I had no breakfast because I wasn't hungry, and I had lunch before I left, and my bike's making noise. Shut up! It won't stop. My bike's broken in some sort of way. I don't know what's happening. But anyways, I'm wearing all yellow, as you can tell. Shorts are yellow, shirt's yellow, everything's yellow. But I'm gonna try and make these as funny as possible. The last ones are a little bit boring. I don't do much. I'm boring. Woo! That's why we need Jesus. And go to church and read the Bible. Yes, I just said Bible. But you pronounce it Bible. But I don't care. So let's ride our bikes with no handlebars. No handlebars. And pray to the Lord we don't fall. Whee! Finally you stopped. That's only because I stopped pedaling. Every time I start to pedal again, it makes the noise. And I got water in my bag, so I don't get dehydrated when I don't have water around or close to me and I don't want to go home. I get a water bottle. But what if it runs out? Why do you ask that? Because it never runs out, because I save it. And then when I go home, get more water and go back up. But anyways, let's go around town. I had $2 in my pocket. I buy from Kitty. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to buy candy, even though I would, but I didn't. And all these cars are here because yesterday we had a block party and it was pretty sweet. And it's this one. That guy over there, he's working at his house. Make sure there's no cars that way. There's only one way. I'm going anyways. Dog life. Sean should be in the park over there somewhere. over the rainbow. There's no rainbow. Blue skies today. And white clouds. Have you ever wondered if the sky was like entirely blue or no clouds at all? Sometimes there is no clouds. But I'm just saying, like, what if, like, the clouds were blue and the sky was blue? You know what I'm saying? Do they have a couch on their porch? Oh, that's my friend's house. Yeah. Christopher, he's really cool. I'm so scared. Crap. See? That's what happens when you record and no handlebars. That's what happens. Your best kid's freaked out. That was really close. Oh gosh, nice save there. But I almost died. I almost died. Oh Lord. You guys should go check out my friend's channel on YouTube. And her name will be in the description below, so you can go check it out. And be cool. And don't die whenever you're doing. Try not to die. This recording is probably going to be really stupid and like really windy, but who cares? As long as it's fun for you guys. Yeah, let's take a water break. Okay. This is where we hang out sometimes. But anyways, I'm gonna take a water break after I almost died. See, I'll tell you, I have a backpack. It's a pretty sweet backpack, though. Not gonna lie. This is hard to do one-handed. Stop moving, bike! Sorry if my past videos have been really quiet. I've been trying to... Oh my gosh, my bike is moving. I've been trying to, try not to do that more often now. I don't mean to do that. I'm sorry. But, yeah. So, I gotta put you down for a minute. Got back on. Okay. And then, I wish I had a water bottle holder, but it broke off. Well, it didn't have a water bottle holder when I had the bike. Sorry. When I had the bike, or I bought it, it didn't come with a water bottle holder. So, sorry, this is gonna be horrible content. But don't try to make the videos quiet, like when all of a sudden I'm just talking and then my finger goes over the mic. That's not intentional. So don't get mad at me and be like, what the heck? Where's the sound? And your volume is all the way up. It's my fault. My finger is over the microphone. So that's not intentional. But so yeah, I just want to clear that up. Yeah. Ooh, it's hot. That's why I brought water. See? No dogs allowed. Can't go in there. Sorry, dogs. I don't have a dog. Wait, that's a lie. I do. But let's fix my bike a little bit. The steering wheel is getting messed up because it sometimes it like I don't know how to explain it. Tires go one way, or the tire goes one way, and the steering wheel faces, or the steering handlebars go another way. If that makes any sense. Whee! Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. I love you. Until next time, goodbye.